Hello folks, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're going to be making a 15 bean soup and I'm going to add some ham to it. We get the best brand here, the Hearst Hambeens brand. It's super good. Alright, first thing we want to do is rinse the beans because we soaked those overnight. Ta-da! So we're going to get those in a strainer here. And in the meantime, let me just show you, the recipe side in case you want to glance over that, maybe hit pause. Maybe I should make it so you can actually read it. Sorry about that, guys. All right, here we go. I'm going to rinse these beans, and then I'll show you what we do with them next. We'll be right back. Okay, here's some of the things I'm going to be putting in there. I've got the diced tomato, 14.5 ounce can. I'm going to do some minced garlic, not that much, but I am going to be generous with garlic. I'm going to probably do a good couple big spoonfuls. I'm also going to do some 6 chili powder and a little bit of that cayenne pepper, give it some kick. Instead of water, I'm going to do mushroom broth. It does call for 8 cups, and there's 2 of those at 32 ounces each, adds up to 8 cups. All right, for our meat, we're going to do ham. I'm telling you, that's so good. And to be honest, we froze this ham, and it was in there for many a moons. At your discretion as to how long you leave stuff in your freezer, but I can tell you, it tastes as good as the day we would have bought it. Got some red onion. I'm very partial to the red onion. Also cut up the carrots nice and small for Papa. And we had just rinsed these here beans. I love the white beans especially. So good. Yumma. All right, I'm going to get this all mixed up and show you what it looks like. I'll be back here in a second. Okay, here we go. I also added a bag of frozen mushrooms because I just wanted to veggie it up a little bit. The recipe can be varied. You can always get creative with any recipe, right? So, I also got it to the very tippy top of the crock pot, which I'm not used to. I ended up adding a gutter, just in case. Alright, let's get the lid on this baby. And in about 12 hours from now, I'm gonna eat you. Alright, thanks so much for watching our silly videos here, folks. And we'll be back here to show you what it looks like when it's finished. See you then. Hello, and welcome back. Well, it's been about 12 hours since I was last talking to you about this soup here. And it is looking good. Check it out. Look at that ham. The carrots got nice and soft. The mushrooms, everything came out great. So, definitely recommend this. We're going to take the rest of it and probably freeze it. Save it for next time. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you like this. And please share it, subscribe it. We'll see you. Take care.